Want to pay less tax in 2025? Correctly utilizing the new tax law signed into law on July 4th can save you money, maybe a lot of money. Hi, I'm Dave Horwedel, CEO of Torchlight Tax. For tip workers, up to $25,000 of tip income is now exempt from federal income tax. If there's a way you can shift W-2 wages into tip income, this could be an opportunity for you. The same applies to overtime income, with up to $12,500 deductible from taxable income. Business owners will see permanent access to the 20% pass-through income deduction. C corporations get a 2% reduction in the corporate tax rate. For high-income taxpayers, a C corporation may be a very attractive option. Small businesses generally use S corporations for their tax savings advantages. However, there are situations where a C corporation may be more beneficial. This is a complicated issue, and you are welcome to contact us for a free consultation on this. Bonus depreciation at 100% is extended through 2027. That means business owners and real estate investors can immediately expense the full cost of qualifying property placed in service, providing a valuable tool for reducing taxable income now. Cost segregation can be used for real estate investors to dramatically lower their taxable income. See our videos, What is Cost Segregation and What is Bonus Depreciation, and other useful video links in the description below. For more detail on 2025 tax law changes, see our full blog article, What You Need to Know About the New Tax Law, which you can also click on in the description below. Now, if you do not want to watch the added videos or read the articles, you can contact Torchlight Tax for a free consultation at 877-758-7797 or info@torchlighttax.com. We will be glad to plan with you how to lower your 2025 tax bill. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.